let's try, MN. No, that's, well, yeah, because that's one of the symbols for it. Let's try that one.
It's gonna take us a long time.
I'll give
Because
it.
it's in the word column, the
Oh.
word eminent.
Is it about?
Which one? Yeah, no, that was the word for west. I see what you're saying.
What if we did HT? After low narrow, high narrow.
Do we know what it's a picture of?
Linen.
So let's do a search for that, right?
Oh,
Is it linen?
yes, linen. That one and the other symbol with the horizontal box with the line, vertical lines on the top.
Yeah, fine linen, blue dyed linen, red linen, bright red linen, bright red linen, linen cloth,
Your linen, my linen, their
my
linen.
linen,
Some linen, a little linen,
crushed linen,
ugly linen, dirty linen, clean linen.
happy linen, sad linen. Six weave linen, that's probably kente.
300,000 grave count.
White linen, linen thread, lots of linen.
Yeah, they do. And it would make sense.
In African philosophy of Pharaonic period, Obinga goes through, the origin of clothes. So he goes into a text where it actually mentions, he was given Sanhat, where he mentioned that when he came back to Kemet, he was given linen, and it's one of the earliest attestations of, people having linen cloth. So he's using that to show this is, the origin of it. You can't mention it in the text unless you have it, so. So let's come back to our textbook and see if we can find linen here.
We're looking for it where?
In the textbook, Collier.
Oh, okay. And boom, then boom.
We see the linen here as a translation.
And what page, sir? I should know, I'm not.
There's 38 through 39, just a couple pages above,
Yes, sir.
and it shows us these are common offerings.
And we got our alabaster, shus.
So we see the shus. This is, and it's showing you that these are common abbreviations for the fuller forms.
Cautious. And okay.
Do you know why we weren't finding it in the dictionary?
What
What was up with that?
Because we said MNHT, but remember this is Gardner system, where it has this is what Mom Z calls it the rocker H, because it's
Oh, okay. So that's why.
now this in the Manual de Codage, which is the computer-based system, that is going to be written with an X.
Oh, okay. And then XT. Okay. Boom.
There we go.
Haters.
First time around.
So what'd you put in?
MNXT.
MNXT, I can't use this system. So what's the sign? What does the sign come under? Low, tall, broad, plant?
Say again?
What is the sign?
Oh, in Gardner.
Yes.
So here we go.
Is it tall or?
Actually, let's see if Gardner has it.
Is it a plant? Is the plant part?
Hold on, I'm trying to even see if Gardner has it because I didn't see it in any of his signs. So S27 is under clothing, so let's come back up.
Clothing?
Look at S27, and it'll show you what the sign is.
So if you know it, you can put it in like that. Clothing, that's 27.
I put in men hit using hit systems with just a regular H and it pulls out. So it says horizontal strip of cloth with 2 strands of a fringe.
These people.
Sometimes with 3 or more strands. That the vertical signs are strands, not single threads, is shown by Medroom 16.
Okay.
And I told you the way I memorized that sign. In high school, I used to have a friend that anything that was good, he said, "Oh, that's hitting. Oh, that's on hit. That's hitting." And it means that's good. So I'm picturing if he said, "Oh, my clothes are good," he would say, "Mine hit. Mine hit." So that's something that won't work for everybody. But you just think up something that will allow you to remember. So as soon as you see it, you say, "Okay, I know what it is." And what you're doing when you do that is you're tying new knowledge to old knowledge. So then nothing is new to you. It's just like, oh, I'm just rearranging what I've known for long.
Well, I'm associating that I like clothes.
Right.
So I'm gonna know the sign.
That's it.
That's true.
Right.
Dr. Cameron, do you mind bringing up the page that has the gifts, that has the illustration?
这是我们的 ele So again, this whole chapter is going into abbreviations, special spellings, odd spellings, things of that nature. And a lot of these are things that you just have to, just like you said, remember.
Now something just below here is just confusing me, because then they have men's cartouche
Where are you?
at Gardner's dictionary, right below the mencut, the clothing, just directly below. They have M-E-N-S.
You're in the dictionary section?
Yes,
Okay.
it's cartouche. I thought cartouche was shin or chinu.
Hold on, let me get to where you're at.
It's just the lower word in Gardner. The next word.
So this is saying, LE is saying late Egyptian. So this means that at the later period.
Okay.
It would be like, you know, you may call it a hat, but then, you know, young people may call it a cap.
Or the foreigners came in and called it what they wanted.
Exactly.
Okay.
So this is late period.
Okay, I see it now.
And you know, also be aware that the same thing can have different names, especially when you're talking about across time.
Hey, I got the last 3 Chuck figured out
All right.
on the second one, on the
Oh, is this what you're looking at? Or looking for? The Shinu, that's cartouche. Alright,
Okay.
and then as you said, it can also be the Shin, so you say Shin 4. Alright, you say you have the last three figured out?
Last three on the, I think it's the second line, I think.
Sorry, what is alabaster?
It's a off-whitish colored ceramic glass, no, kind of glass-like container or substance, but.
It's actually a stone.
Oh,
Alabaster.
stone.
Okay.
That's what I think it was stone, like stones and crystals.
Yes, yes. But it's
And it's about, it's a lighter color than that.
It
Well,
can hold, it holds things.
They make things out of
powders,
alabaster.
liquids, oils, it looks like that, yeah. Off-white to white.
And they have some wonderful pieces. Okay.
Up and up. Okay.
There we go, yeah. So we have Ankh,
Mhm.
and then the one, the flat looking type you told me is Netcher. You should never forget that one. So we have Ankh, Netcher. That one I remember, yeah, Netcher, NTR. And then the next one next to it that I was simply called a feather is either I or Y, so E, Netcher E.
Mhm.
And then I remember the
There's only
bird.
Y, there's two of them, so it
Right,
could be
so
three.
this one is I, like E, Netcher E, and then I remember the falcon or whatever it is M.
No, it's not the whatever it is, and it's not a falcon. Falcon. It's an owl.
Okay, owl.
It's
So
a
the owl
difference.
is M.
It's a difference, yes.
Mhm.
Owl is M,
Mhm.
and, yeah, and then the cotton
Mhm.
on all the way, that was last one, cotton.
Mhm. Go ahead with your brass out. Go ahead.
Mo,
Go ahead. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Raise
So,
your-
when you say it all together, how do you say it?
Nefer, oh, you can start from the beginning.
No, from Nefer, the
Okay,
name of the.
Nefer
Ankh.
the Ankh.
Where do you see the Ankh? Oh, okay.
So we're starting from Nefer, then we're skipping one if we go straight to Ankh.
Oh,
Remember that this is Neferet because it's
Yeah.
agreeing in gender with this one,
Okay,
even though
Neferet.
it's isn't
Neferet.
shown for each.
so Nefer the term, Nefer, Im,
Wow, wow. So what have we just said?
the heart, the something of life. From the heart of life to the gods. Praise. An offering. So that he may give a voice offering. Is that what that means? So that he may give a voice offering? Is that how that translates?
The beginning?
Or what we just read, the
No. So start off here. So we got all the way to here. We're gonna start at Ket, Nebet, Neferet, Wabet,
but we ended with
Ankh,
Abydos.
Netra, Im. That's up here.
Yeah, Abydos.
Well, we already went through this one. You said it was correct, Harold?
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Oh, that's
this
our
is
voice
Jadija
offering.
who mentioned
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
And he said this is Ka, he said it's Abed, then we went through the whole
Mhm.
search for chest.
Master.
And we went through Men Chet. So now we're gonna go from Chet, Nebet, Neferet, Wabet.
Oh, I
So
got it.
all of this is one.
Everything good and pure.
Very good.
Dr. Ken, sorry, I have to excuse myself. I have to continue with regulations.
So
And I'm privileged to.
is it?
Thank you.
What do you want now?
Yeah. Everything good and pure.
Very good. And this next one,
Okay, where are you? Everything good and pure?
chet.
From where?
So from here, let me enlarge it again. So chet, the bet. I notice that the t isn't pictured, but you understand that this has to agree with this one. Neferet, wabet. So this is one whole complex going up to here. And then this one, Netra, this is another entire complex.
I know that nature is good for, no.
Netra is a divinity.
Yeah, thank you. Nedu,
Nadu is word.
word, divine speech.
Hey! Hey! Asiana between say, menu say, what else with TV? Asiana. Good job. Baba.
So what are we trying to figure out? Which part of this says every good and pure, everything good and pure?
Yeah.
So, from after the min-ket, the linen, from the rocker cave to the foot pouring libations, that's one segment. Okay, and then the next segment is from the ankh to what?
Up to the owl. Yes, we haven't been in natural owl.
And then Nka is what? This is one, I guess that's the soul or?
To the ka.
Are you not able to see what you're thinking?
No, it's easier to see the screen.
Oh,
on the
okay.
right side.
Okay, go ahead, I can make it work. How about you, Dr. Z?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay.
For the camera. Because we're recording.
How about that? You just want to see if the lights are working.
So, chet, nebet, nefret, wabet. So what parts are what? And if you're not sure, how would you find out?
Okay, let's see.
Is that a question to Dr. Z? Or to the whole class? How much you were talking about? So which, Nkanun, is that what we're trying to figure out? If we had to look it up?
Or which parts are which here?
Oh, okay. So the H, the circle, the bread, that's HT,
Chet.
chet, and in the bowl underneath is lab, chet, lab.
That's So this is generally understood to be a basket without a handle.
That's in the.
Right. So what is the chet part saying?
Oh, you mean, what does it mean?
What is it, yeah? Come on.
And that's my official answer.
Yeah, but and as the last call, what is this?
Case T.
What is it?
Okay, so I should find out, right? Okay, let's see what I'm gonna do. Right quick. Oh Lord, I'm in trouble.
Wow.
Cause I don't know where to begin to look. There's so many different signs here. Oh gosh.
So which one are we starting with first?
Chet.
Let's go back to our text. Okay, so, circles.
Mhm.
Circles.
So low and narrow sound.
Okay, low and narrow. In Gardner, because he does things by categories. Wait, but while you're where you are, in Collier, we can look up HT since we know it's kept, right? Okay, let's try that. Since we got through so quickly last time. See what that does.
So if I want to look up something in Collier, I do the same thing, Control F.
In any program
Okay.
that's searchable, that's fine.
Mhm.
Come on.
Right there.
I don't see it there. Oh, wait, how about XT?
That would be for the dictionary.
Oh, for the dictionary.
That's a different system.
Okay. Because with the, whatchamacallit
Control,
underneath the
yeah.
H, we'd have to look up XT for the dictionary.
No, it's not showing up in the book, so let's try XT here. You okay?
Yes, sir.
Now what we did is because we see that the chet is in other words, we can come down here and do whole words only and make it case sensitive so that we only get when that's showing up as a word on its own. So chet, chet,
Oh,
chet. Chet. Chet, that's fire, but that's not what we're looking for.
right.
This is what we're looking for.
There they are.
So chet.
Offerings.
So things, offerings, possessions, property, matter, affair, something, anything. Which is that some. Chet.
So given the context, it could mean anything.
Depending on the context. So I say asam, what you gonna say? Hey, asam. You
Everything.
got to oh me pawasam. You say oh me pay me pawasam. When you can say oh asam ao kan, you know it's some adrian I go with him. Maybe I or how and I say at the power and I say and the bunny.
How do you know which tones? Is it tone?
So it's not marked for tones. So the thing about Metaneche is that the vowels aren't shown, and there are several ideas about the reason why the vowels aren't shown. One is that the difference between how, say, someone born in Ghana would speak English, and the way I would speak English, and the way someone born in Jamaica would speak English, would be the vowels, how we pronounce our vowels. Everything else would be the same, but how we pronounce our vowels. So if you plan on building for eternity, then the things that would change, we keep those to the side, and the things that will stay stable over thousands of years is the ones that we're going to emphasize. So the issue is that now when we're thinking about, well, what would the tone be, then we wouldn't know what the tones were, and even we would have an issue identifying what the vowels may be. And this is the whole part of looking at contemporary African languages in order to get back. Once we know that this is what it is in Chi, this is what it is in Wan, this is what it is in Yoruba, this is what it is in Wolof, Kula, Kikongo, Kiswahili, we see the same word in all of these. That can give us a sense of what it must have been back in Medu Neter. So that's the work that Theophilo Benga has been doing for many years, and that's also what I'm working on.
Okay, so we found our circle using the XT from the dictionary.
And next one is Nebet.
So that one, we can go back to Collier
Okay.
and just type in NBT, see what happens.
So we see-
MBT?
We see Lord or Lady, that's not the one we're looking for.
No, sir.
And this is what we are looking for, and it's all right here for us. So, Chet, Nebet, everything. So, Neb, all, every, any, behaves rather like an adjective. It follows a noun it goes with, and like an adjective agrees with it. So, Chet, Nebet. So, even the T, even though it's not showing up there, we know that, all right, that's what it has to be because it agrees in gender. So Chet Nebet, that's the everything.
Okay.
Now what about Neferet?
That's gotta be the good part.
That's got to
The
be the
heart.
good part. Lu Rafet.
Rafet. Rafet na.
Rafet.
Nefet.
Neferet.
Rafet nefet.
Benla. Butul.
And then Wabet,
Right?
that's gotta be pure, because you pour water and washing the dirt off the
There
land.
we go. Yes.
Okay, so,
Good, pure life.
So now we're coming to what this one is.
Angkat tebi nifo.
No.
Tebi nifo. Après Anthony.
Après.
Diggante encre bi ak lettre.
Waaw.
Tebi nifo.
Waaw. Waaw.
Angkat.
Waaw. Waaw. Comme boobu. lii lépp lan la.
Angkat lettre. Nka.
Lu muy teg.
Liggéey naa ci jàng bi juma am juma bi topp boobu tey loo ma laaj mu firi naa ko firi.
So he pronounced it, now we're like, all right, so what is it? He said, I gotta do my part. Mine's just to read it, y'all gotta do the rest.
I read it the way they teach me Quran. When I was a child, they teach me Quran. I can read it, but I don't know the meaning. So when coming to Medu Neter 2, I'm gonna read it. So the meaning I will learn it on the way.
We'll get you
Well, I already read it. I was like, wait, I got the last three figured out. So I did that. You came back through and read it again. I already done read it. You got to come up with the meaning.
There we go.
Next time.
Next time.
Next time.
Gee, I best be the
You
new.
bet
You see,
you.
the first time my father he asked me, I hear that now you stop praying, you are not praying anymore. I said, no, I'm not praying anymore. Oh, why? I said, I'm reading the things I can't understand it. So it's the same thing. Actually, I'm going to read it. So understand it, I will do it later. So I tell him that, oh, later I will know it. Because I have to know Arabic before I know the English.
So, that's me.
Maybe as a definition, is it something to do with offerings and
So we're on the second line. And we've come to what it is. And you are right that the T is there, and it should not be left out. So, Ankhet, Netcher, Im, on which a Netcher, divinity or bosom, lives. We saw this as well. Chet, Nebet, Neferet, Wabet. So even though it's abbreviated without the T, we know that it's agreeing for gender. So it's not written, but so it's like an abbreviation. But we know that that's what it must be. Anchet, Netcher, Im, on which the Abosom, Rab lives. Netcher lives.
Okay, so translate the ket in I am in
Netcher.
ka in.
Mhm. So now what's the ka?
No, I want it from the
So this is what we just mentioned. Anchet, Netcher, Im, on which the Netcher lives. So everything
Is it
good.
referring
is
to a
good.
physical place or is it reference to a physical place?
On which it's like I live on Kinke and
okay,
right.
okay.
These are all the things. I'm giving you this. I'm giving you that. All the good things that are good. All the good and pure things on which the
Like
Netcher
God
lives.
survives.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the recommendation, and this is coming back in chapter 7, it says, since this is a fixed expression, you should read and translate it as a whole for now without worrying about its internal grammar. And this was, so we're on page 40, what is it, 46 now? But it was explained on 39. So my advice would be for you to read through sequentially up to where we are, because some of the things that we're struggling for were explained on earlier pages.
Through 49, through page 49, that's what.
All through, all the way up through the end of chapter 3.
Okay.
So page 46, that was, the explanation was on 38 through 39.
Do you have the hard copy of this?
This is something I downloaded from Library Genesis. So even in coming up, I looked at what other, I mentioned this before, I was talking to Baba Banochi, who does a Meta Nature class through DB2 Mikasa. And, you know, when I was studying in undergrad, we looked at Gardner and then Allen. But I was looking at, you know, what are people using now? So a lot of schools and museums are using this text now, and it's very helpful. And also Baba Banochi recommended another one that I'm yet to go through, but another more recent, you know, text as well that may be helpful. So ka that is for the ka of, we mentioned that before. So now let's come down straight to the third line.
What is that, the ribs?
Awu. So that's Awu, and then there's another H, and then there's the inhale again for the owl. I think that's the owl. So is that correct? Awu, and then the owl is in.
So this one is the venerable one, or the venerated one. So we have to see what the whole.
The whole thing.
We've seen that above as well. Yes. It can either be transliterated as imahi or imahu.
Oh, Imahu, okay. That's right, I'll say Imahu.
And usually there's a phonetic complement to let you know which one it is. So either you'll see a U, the quail chick, or the E, which is a 2 flowering reeds.
So where does the E, yeah, Yeah, where's the E come in? Because I'm used to seeing the flowering, the reed.
So we're seeing that things are abbreviated. Let's come to find in our dictionary. Actually, in Collier, it will show it. So let's come here. Oh, I have it for whole words. So here we'll see different variations on the same thing.
Okay, okay.
So you can see it with the E coming in front. The ma, hu, or ima, he. So if you just see this with the two flying reeds, you'll pronounce it as imahi. This one could be either imahi or imahu. This one, when you see the phonetic complement as the u, you will know imahu. That's how you're going to do it.
But
And then this one there,
rib,
imahu.
I thought the rib is awu.
So how would you find out what the rib is?
Well, I would do awu in Collier, which would be the AW. I believe that's.
And then if you go to Gardner, or you do body parts,
Parts of animals. Parts of mammals rather.
Humans. Oh, okay. No, not in, what's his name, in, Collier. Oh, there it is,
It's
39.
Yeah, F39. Parts of mammals.
Okay, that's first.
ooh,
I never would have found that. I had to
Everybody
look
goes
for
there.
parts of humans. I'd have been next month trying to find it. Okay. Okay, but the complex means, okay, so the complex means that I'm trying to break it down in letters rather than looking at it as a complex.
So here we go.
Okay.
So imah, right, without anything in the front or in the back. Imah. Imah, spinal cord as well.
Okay.
Rarely a determinative in passage, back.
Reverend.
You can think about someone being venerated or venerable in the sense of Burkina Faso, the land of the upright men. So you are upright, you are venerable, type of person.
Reverend.
Hmm?
This one says reverend, so how do we find reverend up here?
So venerated, what we have here, venerated state, but also we find it in imach for spinal cord. Or what are you looking for?
This says reverend. It says reverend one, key, of the reverend one key.
Revered or?
Oh, revered, sorry. It kind of helps to learn how to read English here. Crazy how that works.
If you prefer, if you like.
Word on the street is that it helps to learn to read English, to make a point in English.
So,
Revered one.
awa. Me wo bi wo fam, kwacho, fa.
So how do we find revered on here versus venerable?
You could, now, what we're coming to is a point of how we're going to translate it into English. We can translate it as the venerable one, the revered one.
Oh, okay.
This is just a stylistic choice for English.
Revered one.
So now what do we have after that? Imahu or imahi. What's this name? The next part is one whole complex.
okay, I'm just trying to figure out how to use the Gardner dictionary.
What is
So, I I'm just trying to figure out how to use
Mhm.
it. So now I found the part I wanted, which was part of 39. But if I want to see its meaning now, what do I do?
So now scroll up to F, the F section. So,
Go way somewhere.
yep, up to the F section.
I can't type in so it can go there.
Yeah, you can type in, what is it, F39?
Yes.
Yeah, so
But
type
it
in
didn't
F.
do me. It didn't take me there.
So just scroll up.
How far I really have to go, I wonder.
So above this section, this is the appendix. Above this section, it has each one
By
categorized by
alphabet.
it's alphabetized.
Jeez.
So just scroll up into the X.
Okay.
So how come when they do these things, they don't give us all of the tut, all of the tip?
They did. Look on the next page.
But they just, do they have to break it up like that?
They're giving you new vocabulary.
Just put it all there, just get it over with.
It is. They mess with you. They just messing with you
Yeah, they
specifically.
are. They just mess with you.
So look here on the vocabulary section. This is a new word that we have, and it's the overseer of the chamber. So remember that's in the mouth of, right? And we mentioned that like in Chi, you say openya or da, whatever ano. So to da ano is to lay in the mouth of whatever it is. It means that you're the director or the leader or whatever. So is literally in the mouth. Achenuti. There's achenu,
Ah,
and then the T is not pictured here.
right, it's not there.
But this is like, you know, it has something to do with a chamber, a room, an enclosure. So overseer of the chamber. And to say Dabehene. Dabehene. And that's
Could it also like mean northeast?
no. For this one it's letting you know this is the same thing you would use for a general, for an overseer, is somebody who is in a position of authority. So it's like this is the person who is in the mouth of whatever the thing is.
Okay, so here is another complex of tut that we need to understand the content, the complex, abbreviated or no, but is it abbreviated complex or is it spelled out complex with all the tips? This is a complex of tut to know, just to whenever you see this, it means overseer of the chamber, is that correct?
Well, this one you can break out the because we saw this before.
Okay.
We're looking at the general in chief,
So I see the
right?
okay, I see the
So remember here, we saw the So this is literally in the mouth of, and then Masha is army, and then Ur is great. So literally in the mouth of, army, great.
Okay.
Mhm.
But back to where we were,
Back to where we were.
uh,
So when we see this we know that this is the overseer, somebody in a position of authority of whatever is going to come after.
okay,
And now what comes after? It could be an army, or it could be Achenuti, which is the chamber. So Achenu.
so the chamber of, okay, in the chamber of, and then we got a Amenemhet.
Alright, and then that's what's coming last. Amenemhet.
In the chamber
So when for me, Tino, I may peak as I say on the gun in the ability.
Yo, I am.
Say peak as I reckon it.
Alright.
Not based on the gun, oversee that.
Alright.
And then,
Ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ sɛ ne a wɔn sɛ kyerɛ ase akɔ borɔfo mu nanso ɛkyerɛ sɛ a ɔda ano ate aseɛ nti wɔbɛhwɛ a wɔka sɛ o hwan na ɔda dwumakuo yi ano kyerɛ sɛ ɔno na nanso ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ sɛ ne a wɔpɛ sɛ wɔn kyerɛ ase kɔ borɔfo mu nanso wɔyɛ ɛno deɛ ɛte sɛ twi ɛfiri sɛ ɛno ana yɛde ka sɛ ɛwɔ mu ate aseɛ ɛno nso ɛte sɛ kikɔngɔ wɔn nso wɔn ka mu ɛbɛrɛ a wɔka sɛ ɛwɔ biribi mu. You know, I think ano. Nti wo behwa Theophilo bring out choro homa o choro senior see is share I will Meninetta Castle. I will Castle Fofro, ano, aro, alo, bibisa, I will Yoruba and no. Nti kasi nyinaa wo hu sɛ ɛyɛ bibia ɛyɛ anaasɛ anaasɛ wate ase afei legina lilala sama dumun dai
Hello? Oh, my hat.
men
Hat.
aminam hat
Yeah.
So the half line is what sound
which one
after the M,
yes
the line is what?
that's the question how would you find out
Okay.
it's in the name of a famous ruler of Kemet.
Right, I know,
Right.
I actually know it is, but but I want to know what syllable is the line.
It's
Okay,
in the name
so-
of a famous female ruler.
So
that should
do I
be-
go to animal parts?
Yes. So if you know it's a very, very famous female ruler, you know Amenemhat, you know that part. But then there's a famous female ruler. Who's the most famous female ruler? Very good. So what do Amenemhat and Hatshepsut have in common?
Breasts.
Yes, exactly. Wonderful.
I don't know. I just read
No, you're joking.
She is. So Amenemhat
Okay, wait, let me
and
go to the
Hatshepsut
animal
have what in common?
Hot.
Yes. But I want you to find it as well in your own
Yes, I
way.
need to know.
H-T. Or X-T.
Hmm?
And we see it here.
Hey, wait. You joking? Oh, be your girl. Ooh.
So how does this translate to everything good and pure on which a God lives for the call of the revered one key?
No, you're on the wrong. This isn't key. This is the revered one, the overseer of the chamber, Amenemhat.
Aren't we on BMEA 558?
No,
Oh.
587.
I should just get sent to the principal's office. I should have just sent him to the principal's office.
We saw a key somewhere else, but that's not where we are.
I need those.
So study exercise 3.8 BMEA 587.
BMEA. What page are you on, sir?
That's page 46.
46. Oh, I'm so behind. Yeah, I'm in 30. Que vaina. Ay, caramba. Qué lástima. Qué pena.
Now, if you want to say that somebody is prominent, you say that this is in the front. So Amin Imhat, what are you saying? So we see here. Have you found it?
I
I
know.
know hot.
But I don't think, let me see, can I try
They're
this?
saying the front is this.
Amin Hat. Who or what is Amin?
I'm in
And
God.
then,
The Necha, the hidden one, is what it translates to literally.
yeah.
It will be BM.
God who comes.
So Amin Hat.
In the house or in living in. Oh, Lord, okay. where
Okay,
we going?
go to Gardener F4.
Okay, Gardener F4.
You could also find it in the
I'm
dictionaries.
just trying to read this bad boy.
Hey, it is not F4. It is not
Lost its face.
F4.
Here we go.
Hey,
But just say it already.
do I have to put capital F?
No. Just scroll up to the F section and go to
It
F4.
took me to F50. I put in F4.
So scroll up
But
until
why
you get to
didn't it take
F4.
me to where I put it there?
I don't know.
Hey.
I didn't do it.
Oh, right.
So we see this in the dictionary as well. So Mama Z, when you get there, just for the sake of time, we have F4, part of lion, and hat, front, and derivatives.
Mm-mm.
Also you find hati for heart, hati print. And then also, if you go to the dictionary, you can find it there too. So, hat, beginning, foremost, chief, the best of. So you're saying Hatshepsut, what you're saying is the foremost among all the ladies, right? Amenemhat is saying Amen in the front.
Mhm.
Now, to say that something is in the front is being the best, there used to be a song by Wu-Tang Clan called Clan in the Front, and it's the same concept. They're saying everybody else is on the left, on the right, or in the back, but
Mhm.
Clan is in the front. So when you think about Amen in the front, this is the one who is
Okay.
at the vanguard, the foremost, the chief, the best of.
Mm.
Are we okay?
I'm trying to find a page where they just go ahead and just say it.
Or just go ahead and just say it down at the bottom?
Okay. Great.
So do a search for BMEA 587, spaces in between BM. That's British Museum to let you know where they stole it and took it to. EA, which is I suppose Egyptian archaeology. And number 587. So let's do that because this is our last resort. If we are unclear what's going on, we can go to the section at the very bottom that has the key to these.
Yeah, all it did was just take me back to where I was, but I was looking for the key.
So 164 is the key. That's study exercise 3.8. So we've seen that we've done good so far. And it starts off, remember we were saying that what you see on the left isn't where you start. You start with the Hotep Dinesu, and that's exactly what we see here. So we see Hotep Dinesu, which is an offering the king gives. Osir, Neb Jedu, Necha A'a, Neb Abju, Peret Heru, which is a voice offering of, that's bread, Inget, beer, Ka, ox, Aped, fowl, Shis, alabaster, Menchit, that's linen, Chet Nebet, Neferet, Wabet, which is everything good and pure, Anchet Necher Im, on which a Necher lives, Ka, and that we're saying for the Ka of Imahu, the revered one, Anchanuti, which is the overseer of the chamber, Iman Hat, Amin Hat, and then we're coming to the last one, which we've seen. It comes after the names, which is what?
Key.
No, key is the person's name. In another exercise that we're not looking at,
Oh,
key was somebody else's name.
oh,
Here the name is Amin Hat. What do you say after the name of somebody who's passed on?
okay, recipes.
Uh-huh. Ma'acheru. Recipes.
I said, may they rest in peace.
That's what you would say in English. By the same token, what you would say in Baganecha is exactly true or voice. That means that they were able to say their declarations and they were adjudicated that yes, you live righteously, you go on to be Osir in your own right.
So this is not letting me find the last key, answer key. But okay, I'll figure that out.
So the answer key You can always,
I was trying to jump to it, but when I tried to control F it, it didn't work.
so that's why I did BMEA 587.
Yeah, I
and
did,
took
and
me-
it took me to the page rather than to there. Maybe I should have typed in 3.6 offerings.
This was 3.8.
Oh, 3.8.
And what we'll do is what you see on the left and what you see underneath, this is telling you what is being given. It's a label. So think about a picture with a caption, right? You have the picture there, then underneath you have the caption. This is telling you what you have here. So for next class, your homework is to find out what this label is. And I'll give you a hint that it's something that smells sweet.
Wait, what's the sign?
These,
To find out those two.
yeah, this line, and this line.
Uh-huh.
And remember that these were set off from the rest. This is the offering formula.
Mhm.
And this is all that it gives you there at the back. And it starts here just like we mentioned, Hatep Dinesu. But these are here, and you know you don't start with these. But it's telling you what is pictured here. This one here is telling you what all of this put together is.
What is? Oh, that.
Yes. So your homework is to tell me what this is, and then what these are here on the far left.
What it means, not just how to say it.
Next time I will tell the meaning.
We're gonna be waiting for you on the playground. Okay, alright, that's good. That's what's up.
So I'm not in addition. Offering formula bi ñu jàng
Wow.
yëpp ay buur ay offering ay buur
Wow.
dem naa ba xam mujj na am na ci benn saay daal même nit ki bu fekk ne du buur waaye am na alal mun na defar offering
Waaw.
léegi ndax am nañu exemple sample of nga xam ne nit ki du buur
Waaw.
nga fii woote nañu Lord of Jedu Lord of Abydos woon na que kii buur la nit bu kawe
Buur itam.
waaye léegi nit bu ordinaire xam ne
Waaw.
du buur waaw lu tax may laajte loolu par exemple sama papa indi na
waaye aduna xam nga am na xat du boor
waaw
wante moo
da ngay woote
ko
buur
jot
bi
waaw
da ngay
bii
waaw
du boor la
waaw
ndaxte lii lépp boor boor la ko jox
waaw waaw waaw
waaw
waaw
benn alal
waaw
wante lu jot alal na moom itam du boor
ki joxe alal bi
waaw du boor xam nga
waaw
wante boor moo ko jox
waaw
yëpp ci li ñu jam
waaw xam nga lu tax ma laaj ci loolu ci weer bi ñu nekk nii
waaw
dina mot benn at di sama papa ki mu ji mu gaañ mu dellu ci suñu maam yi léegi bëgg naa defar benn offering formula
waaw xam na
léegi dama bëgg inspiré wu ci boobu
waaw ci bii
waaw
lu ko jox ci bés bu nekk
waaw
boor la
waaw
moomu la ko jox la ko jox alal bi
waaw
bi mu wax Hatep di Jadija xam nga
waaw
Hatep di Jadija wante boor la ko jox
waaw léegi bu may def léegi bii benn lay doon bii moom benn lay doon
waaw
bii tamit mun na nekk benn
waaw
léegi fii mooy am changement
waaw fii Yesu war ngaa soppaleku boobu
waaw
lii itam tuur la
waaw
war nga soppaleku boobu itam
waaw
ak boobu ndaxte bii liggéeyam la
waaw ki borom bi lii mooy liggéeyam
waaw liggéeyam
waaw
bii itam tuuram la
waaw tuur borom offering bi
waaw ati bii
waaw
bii
waaw
nag
waaw
waaw boor la
waaw léegi fii laay liggéey fii ak fii ak
waaw
fii.
waaw waaw lu des na
waaw.
da nga am benn